Hi girls and boys, welcome to our educational channel, Vivat, Vivian.
Hey guys, we are at Randall Museum. The entrance is free. We see guinea pigs here, a crow, snakes, the family of the bees, and downstairs we'll go see the trains. Also an owl is here, mice, all local animals.
Subscribe to my channel, Vivat, Vivian.
They drink water here from this device, and to stay warm they have a lamp, теплая лампа, которая обогревает. Into the trains, choo choo. Choo choo. Whoa, look at those train stations inside. Oh, here's one train. I see it coming. One truck. Second one is in a rush. He's late for his delivery. Union Pacific. Hi. Да, помнишь, ты гонял машинки и поезда у одного нашего знакомого любителя? So from this beautiful view on top of the hill at Randall Museum, we are going down and down to catch Muni KOM, and then going to Embarcadero, change to F line, and then going to Exploratorium Museum of Science, and we'll continue our adventure. Oh, so beautiful.
Before you go, click the like and subscribe buttons below. We had fun!
Subscribe to my channel, Vivat, Vivian.